My name is Mahendra Bangeja. I graduated in the year 2018, and I'm an independent litigator now. I was a law clerk in the Supreme Court of India from 2018 to 2019. I I I resigned from the said job when my lordship retired, and thereafter I started my own practice. I practice in generic civil law and criminal law basically, and I wanted to gain some specialization, and that is the reason I opted for the diploma in IPR, entertainment law and media law. As a lawyer, the room is never full. There is no room. There is no bigger room than the room for improvement. So that is the reason I wanted to learn more. I have a command over the property law, but I was lacking in the intellectual property law, in the aspects of intellectual property law. And in many a times, it occurred to me that now the property law, the traditional property law, has been saturated, and now the market is shifting towards the intellectual IPR. And in near future, we'll see a revolution in that field, and that is the reason I wanted to gain some knowledge of that field. My drafting has drastically improved. Earlier, my drafting, I had no one to tell me whether what terminologies I'm supposed to use. And after the course, my drafting has drastically improved. My notices are better than the ordinary lawyers. I've used the cease and desist notice format of the Law Seco, and I have drafted many cease and desist notices. In fact, I have conducted a search of the trademark also. So the course has helped me a lot to upskill myself, and I'm also planning to file a suit for infringement of trademarks now in a week or two. So I'm working on that, and already that assignment of mine is over. So I have gained a lot of knowledge from that assignment, and I can use it in my suit in drafting the plaint. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I believe when I was in college, I was always interested in IPR, but I couldn't take out the time to do a course exclusively based on IPR. But I studied IPR and from the faculty members of our college. But you can only study theory in these courses and in your college days. If you want to understand the practice aspect of IPR, I believe that this is the best course uh, in India as of now, because they teach you drafting of assignment agreements. They teach you drafting of plaints. It's like they teach you all the strategies from court post litigation and also pre litigation, so you can understand both the aspects of law. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, uh, I haven't faced any problem. Live sessions were absolutely clear. I was able to clear all the doubts from the experts, and assignment helps whenever I had any doubts, I could clear with the experts on the WhatsApp group, and they were prompt enough to answer the questions. And uh, it's basically, when you take up the course, you'll have to involve yourself, and that is when you can evolve your learning experience.